Hey Fruit Buds, it's Micaela. Get excited because we are going on a spring break adventure. I don't know why I did this. I'm literally going 20 minutes east to dog sit for some family friends of ours who are actually going to Hawaii. So I guess my subconscious was accurate in this little hula dance thing I did. Anyway, I am packing if it wasn't already obvious. By the way, this suitcase I have had since 5th grade, so a good 15 years. She's still coming in clutch. She's small. She has many stories to tell. I've smuggled a Vitamix in her through security. I've smuggled fruit coming back from Hawaii. When security specifically asked me, do I have any fruit in my suitcase? I said no, because I forgot I did. This was a suitcase I used for my first sleepaway camp in 6th grade. I've wheeled it all around San Francisco. If these wheels could talk, they would probably scream with the amount of homeless fecal matter, pee, other garbage they've come in contact with on the sidewalks of San Francisco. I've cleaned them since, don't you worry. This is the assortment of clothes that we have for the week that I will be taking care of the dogs over east. I almost said the city that they live in, but I don't know if they would appreciate that. It's a pretty small city, so maybe you could track down the house, so probably for privacy matters, it's best that I don't disclose the city. I'm just rambling here. I'm gonna neaten this up, and then we are going to pack. So when I pack, usually what I do is I put everything on a pile. I put everything in a heap. And then from there, organize by category and fold everything nice and neat and put it in my suitcase. So let's go. In case you're wondering what this random tennis ball is here for, I like to roll on it after I work out for my muscles. Not the neatest folding job, but it'll do. So now that we're done folding up all of our clothes, let's chat a little bit while we pack up. This family used to live by me and they're family friends, and it's their kids' spring break this week, so they are off to Hawaii and I get to dog sit. And to be honest with you, like, their dogs are really easy to take care of, so it's not that big of a deal. They have a really nice kitchen, so I'm not mad at all staying at their house. Their dogs are 15 years old, so they're pretty mellow. I mean, I don't have to walk them. I don't have to do much, except pretty much just feed them, give them fresh water every morning. It's a pretty easy job. The last video that I posted was the 3rd month in a row that I have consistently uploaded weekly. So that's a milestone, I guess. I just started YouTube in January. I don't know how well you know me, like if you're finding me from YouTube, if you're coming over to this channel from my Instagram or blog. I've had my blog for 10 years. I started it when I was 14 and I was a freshman in high school. And then I've been doing Instagram most recently, and then decided to start this YouTube channel. So I did a Q1 check-in Google form thing that I posted about on Instagram, but I'll also link it in the description below here, which is kind of like a check-in survey, like how are you liking these videos? Do you want more of a certain type of video? Do you want something else that I haven't offered? Do you not like the videos at all? I'm all ears for your feedback. It is very, very difficult to offend me, so feel free to speak your mind. The survey is completely anonymous, so I will not see who is behind the answers, so yeah, feel free to just give constructive criticism, of course. Like, just don't say anything mean, because that's mean. And yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna finish packing up, and then I will meet you in the bathroom for toiletries. Welcome to my bathroom. The lighting is terrible, and I'm very sorry that you can hear the vent running, because every time I turn on the light, the vent just automatically is synced up with it, and I don't know if I can ever change that. I get no natural light in this bathroom, but it's just a rental, so it is what it is. Okay, so for toiletries, toiletries are, is this even in focus? Toiletries are so annoying, I think. Toiletries are kind of annoying because you can't pack ahead of time because you need them until last minute. So it's not like you can like pack your toothbrush a day ahead of time because you need your toothbrush to brush your teeth the day of, unless you just don't do dental hygiene. But I think most people brush their teeth every day, I hope. Actually, that doesn't really matter because I am literally packing right before I leave, so I don't even know why I'm saying that. I feel like the contents of a person's bathroom reveals a lot about the innermost person. So you guys get to see how much of a holistic health nut I actually am. Those of you who follow my blog and Instagram already know that I am a huge wellness advocate. So those of you who are new here, well, you get a little intro. I have 3 facial rollers, and one of these days I'll make a morning routine video or nighttime routine. I facial roll morning and night, and sometimes throughout the day. Gotta get the lymphatic drainage going, you know? Honestly, I don't know the difference per se between each of these. Like, I do know that rose quartz is for love. Jade, I don't even know. Amethyst is good, I think, for balancing hormones, acne, I don't know. I think all these are good for balancing hormones. I have an idea. You are gonna cringe at how over the top cute this is, okay? I just remembered I have these stasher bags that are from their gemstone collection, and this is their jade color, this is their amethyst color, and this is their rose quartz color. And what rollers do I have? Jade, amethyst, and rose quartz. So, my friends, we are going to put these in their respective bags. Look at that color match. Bam! Floss, tongue scraper. BAGGU gifted me some of their bags. These are reusable bags that are made from recycled nylon material. They come in this cute little square pocket, and then if you take this out, there is a bag. So I'm gonna use this Yes bag to put all of my toiletry items in, because you should always say yes to self-care. Toothpaste, toothbrush, makeup, eye drops, moisturizer, liquid soap that I'm almost out of but will probably last me the week if I am pretty conservative with my use of it. Serum, sunscreen, face mask if I'm feeling bougie, retainer. Now with jewelry, what I like to do, especially if it's just gonna be like a short week-long thing, I choose one pair of earrings to wear just because I don't want to pack jewelry because I just don't want it to get messed up. I'll just wear a few necklaces and then I'll just like choose that one pair of earrings to wear the whole time, and that's that, so I don't have to pack jewelry. I think I'm gonna go for these. Shower materials. I think my toiletries and self-care is all packed up. No, wait, I forgot a comb. We have now made our way over to the office, and it's time to pack up this big tank and this mic and this extension cord and these hard drives. Now with my tech stuff, I'm not being too precious with it because I'm only going 20 minutes away. I'm just gonna put them loose in this BAGGU bag. When I'm going on a longer trip, farther away from home, I usually make a list on my phone of everything I need to bring so that I don't forget anything. But for this, I'm just like doing it super casually because if I forget something, I'm only 20 minutes away, so it's not the end of the world. I'm gonna bring this yoga mat too. Well, my friends, we have made it to the last stop in this packing party, the kitchen. So I have a lot of gut issues. I have kind of semi-addressed them in previous videos, but not really, and I will go into a further depth video very, very soon about all of that. My gut issues are severe enough where I can't share utensils or plates or any sort of kitchen gadget with other people. So I usually just end up bringing my own plates and mugs and utensils and what have you. The people's house that I'm gonna stay at actually have kids that have a lot of allergies. So it's pretty much a safe space for me because all of the cleaning products and soaps and laundry detergents and dishwasher detergents are natural. So I don't have to worry there, and I don't have to bring my own stuff for that. They do have a tea kettle that has had nothing but water put in it, so I can safely use that. But otherwise, I'm just going to bring one small bowl and one bigger bowl for my meals. And then for mug, I'm going to bring this squiggly funky guy. Trying to pack lightly. Apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, call magnesium. If you're constipated, you gotta go. Can't be this stuff. Milk seed thistle, maca, angelica, activated charcoal. This stuff is amazing to detox from any food that you ate that doesn't agree with you. And probiotics, matcha whisk. Now again, since I'm not going that far, I am not packing these too securely. If I were going farther, I'd be wrapping it all up in tissue paper to make sure that they didn't get scratched up or anything, but I'm just gonna drive really slowly and carefully and hope for the best, because I really don't feel like packing everything up really well. Now on to the main event with the food. I haven't told you really what I eat in a day, and I do plan on coming out with a video about that somewhat soon, but I eat a lot of overripe bananas, and I'm sorry if this looks really gross, but this is real life, folks. I got this big old travel bag from BAGGU to store all of my food stuff in, because honestly, my food stuff probably takes up just as much, if not more space than my clothes. Those are all the bananas I have left in the house, and I'll have to run by the store to get some more on my way, but just wanted to pack up what I have for now. And that, my friends, is all I'm bringing with me for my spring break adventure. I thought the other angle was kind of weird, so I'm doing this outro from this angle. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm packing for my spring break adventure. To be honest with you, I probably forgot at least 3 things, so I'll probably be back here picking that up. As I was packing up my car, I realized I forgot my water bottle, planner, tea, lip balm, pillow, phone charger, socks, and shoes. So I am just waiting in eager anticipation to see how this week unfolds to discover what else I forgot to pack. But I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm bringing with me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you are on your spring break right now, if you already had your spring break, if you are going to have your spring break. What are your plans for spring break? I feel like a lot of people here are college students, so are you planning on going away? Are you planning on staying home? Are you dog sitting too? After reviewing the results of my Google Forms survey I mentioned earlier, a lot of my audience, in addition to being college age, is in their mid to late 20s and older. So spring break aside, just comment down below if you have any upcoming trips or events you are looking forward to. Keep it sweet, make your own salad, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Oh my goodness, you guys, I was just about to drive off and I realized that I thought I forgot the keys to the house I'm going to. So I looked in my purse and I couldn't find them, but they're at the very bottom, so phew!